You can sometimes always lecture, I told you, one introduction class, before going for many workshop as a method of teaching, conference as a method of teaching. Conference are divided. What is the definition of conference? One or two peoples are coming together to bring the solution for the problems. That's called the conference. Conference may be individual conference, group conferences. Individual conference, that patient and the nurse will be conferencing each other, identify their own problem. Hildegard Paplet told, no, identification, orientation, identification, resolution. So many techniques we will be using to find the solution for the particular problem is called the conferencing. So ma'am, this teachers are using? Yes. You have to use this conferencing as a technique of teaching. You have to, when the students are poor, you have to use this technique. Individual conference with the students about the particular presentation. You have to talk to them. And one more thing, feedback. Feedback is very, whatever it may be, feedback is essential. Feedback, how you can find out, not a verbal. I want in the action. Not a response, not a reaction. I want the response. The response from your paper. Once you paper, when you get a feedback, when the students write, when you take a class, you want feedback from the student. When the students wrote and give the paper, you take multiple months, students will forget about it. One more technique is, you have to attach the question paper with the answer sheet. You have to, you put bundles, keep it, show that this many exam, no need. Distribute it. You tell them, you make it in a file. That is a method of learning your paper. If me as a teacher, even till today I am a principal, I take 4-hour class every day. I am taking for a BMLT, PPT students, physiotherapy also, anatomy, because doctors, they are putting the PPT, they are not understanding. I bring the live lecture with the drawings. So physiotherapy also, they requested my class for anatomy. So I am taking those classes, I conduct exams. So immediately the next day, my students will get the paper. If they are not attaching question paper, I will minus 5 mark. While giving that, you have to do the individual conferencing method to the students, telling that why your mark has been reduced, how you might have improved the mark. If it is anatomy, maybe doctors are taking, you have to tell them. Anatomy means it is a drawing, structure. Physiology means function. Biochemistry means the reaction of the one hormone to the another enzyme is called the biochemistry. This is the concept of, the whole concept of the subject. First you have to teach them, no, externals only teaching. That's why INC is telling 50% of the non-nursing subjects has been taken by the nursing teachers. Genetics means you have to ask the students what is called gene. Gene is how is the base. What is this DNA? What is RNA? Where the gene is coming from? Madam, it is zygote. Zygote means where it is coming. Where the RNA is having. Even I am divorcing my husband. I have a baby in my womb. My baby having a DNA of my father and mother and my husband's generation. Even we divorce, the genes are carrying the genetical information from the one generation to the another generation. Gene are having. Then you have to tell, what real example I will tell about the gene problem you think. Surely the world will give you some of the examples. You tell, everybody know there is a Hiroshima, Nagasaki. You ask the students, yes ma'am, we know that. There is a great disaster they have done. They put a big bomb till the genetical DNA is affected. Once the DNA is affected, no treatments, no curative. Right or not? Still the children are born with a defect. This is a negative aspect of DNA. Okay, the generation are carrying. Now we are doing the gene itself. There are so many innovations the world are bringing. That's called the stem cell therapy. You know what is stem cell therapy? Do you know Aishwarya Rai? You'd ask her, yes ma'am. They will tell. You know Aishwarya Rai when she married? At the age of 40. If you marry 40, what is your OBG subject is telling? You may get the defect. But what she has done? She has taken and frozen her eggs. Oh ma'am, it is, don't you think it is related? But the real world. You are connecting with the real world. What they are doing with the gene. You ask because the children are more with the movies. There is a Nayandara, one of the cinema actor. She married 5 months, she has a twin baby. She go for the surrogation. You know what is surrogation? You know, you ask them. You know, surrogation law is there that you will study in the management. Now we are not going to the detail. What Nayanthara has done in her genetical, she taken her egg and stored, she collect her make it as a test tube baby. Okay. Now, why this subject is important for nursing? You have to tell. We have to learn about this gene causing genetical, because gene is a genetical information which is in the RNA and DNA. This genetical information are transmitted from the one generation to another generation. The gene has to preserve, but many things are challenging about our genes to carry from the genetical environmental pollutions and about the bomb blast, you know, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, then they will tell. So that make the genetical mutation, some defect is coming, this from the genetical. Now the research are telling that, genetical research are telling that good thing also carried by the genes, bad thing also carried by genes. For example, I am a knowledgeable, I am telling, my child is 100 times more than my knowledgeable. If I am a diabetic, I am not diabetic, I am telling, if I am a diabetic in the age of 70, my daughter is prone to develop the diabetic, it's a 1 decade early. How I am teaching? I am teaching, relating with my life experience, relating with the listener's life experience. 1 decade early is coming, yes. So now they know that gene only problem. Now they are doing, there are some, we are not going to, first you have to avoid the fear from the student. You are not studying gerontology, not gerontology means that's about old age. The gene, you are studying about genetics, it's a biggest subject after MBBS. That much we are not studying. But we should know what they are doing. They are doing the genes correction, which coding. Every gene have a coding system. That's what you know, in real life, when my daughter is doing working well, yeah, my daughter, she got up. When she is doing very naughty, your father gene is working, you are very lazy, we are scolding. So gene have a coding system. So which code, she has both gene, my gene and my husband gene. So which gene you are going to activate? By positive words. But technical word, which gene is carrying the disease, that gene modification they are telling. That is one unit you are going to study, the introduction, gene modification. Then the genetical also carrying the diseases. You see, I was working in Saudi Arabia, Muslims are marrying close relatives, sickle cell anemia is very common. So genes are carried, one gene, so it's a modified, that's why in a Christian law, 7 blood related you have to avoid. So they protect the good gene, that's one. In a gene is called cloning, but it is prohibited in the animal. You know the cloning, goats are developing. In the genetic meat, without cutting a goat, they are generating meat. Do you know all these technologies? You have to motivate them so that their search engine will be motivating. How I am creating interest? It's not my subject. It's not a nursing subject. You have to motivate the students. Be practical. Okay. This is Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Tomorrow you have to tell when it happened, why it happened. Now what is the current situation? What the government has taken action. You have to tell. What are the genetical problems you are going to study in one unit. How the sex is determined? X, Y chromosome, right? Sometimes one extra chromosome are there, one reduced chromosome is there. That is a Down syndrome or the telencephaly, some system is coming. So, telencephaly, this one, Down syndrome, why the Down syndrome baby is coming? How we can do, what is karyotyping? We are going to study in one unit. And we are the nurses, only 20 hours we are going to study. Why you are studying this unit? To give the genetical counseling. What and all you will add in the counseling? In a young girls, don't expose yourself to the X-rays, don't expose to yourself, you protect yourself always, don't go for MRI. Anybody going? Like that you have to tell. You are working with the patient, you have to wear a badge. That will affect you. Even you are nurse, you have to protect. Radiotherapy patient are coming, don't go and hug them, keep the distance. It will going to affect you first, hair loss and all will be. These are all the defects you have to tell them. Then young couple are coming from the Muslim area, you have to tell them. So you have to don't marry in a relatives. One of my MSc, my friend in a community department, Maladi her name, she was a very good friend, we enjoy nicely. After her uncle means mummy's brother, she married. What happened? The first child born, congenital burn is coming. So congenital burn. So I will tell these are congenital burn and some kind, neural tube defect and all coming. You are going to learn, this group going to learn about the this Down syndrome, you too about the neural tube defect. This one you will give them. Today I give introduction. Tomorrow you are going to present this topic. So they are going to search, oh this one ma'am, this is the one, it's coming. I am motivating. I am not going to teach. My knowledge I am putting. So you have to, now this group going to discuss about what are all the counseling points you will be telling. So you will be telling avoid consanguineous marriage, give early marriage, avoid late pregnancy, early pregnancy, right or not? So that what are all the counseling points? Marriage counseling, premarital counseling. In a Christian we have a premarital counseling. What and all you have to do. So you have to never expose to the MRI, X-rays, other things. Close relatives in the blood relative, father side, mother side, you have to tell. That girl, after that baby born, she cut the relationship. One of my friend, still today, her daughter is 29 years. First boy born with very nicely. Second girl born, 2 fingers not there, here 2 finger, many operations. Believe it or not, this congenital genetical defect made the family 2 years they did not go to community, no socialization, no function they are going. Everyone social stigma. This is called sociology, is called the social stigma. Everyone tell, why your child born? You have done some sins, something, you will not get married. Many things they don't want to hear it. Right or not? Our child is a pride. You want to take the autism child, you go there, right? So the beauty of genetic is the God is so much great. When there is a telencephaly, something is there, cerebral palsy in a very severe condition of cerebral microcephaly. These are all the congenital defect. Tomorrow you are going to read it, these things. But what is going to happen? The God itself automatically will be destroyed. Automatically will be aborted and come. But now advanced technology, one unit you are going to learn. Aminosynthesis, ultrasonography, right or not? These all will be coming in one unit. That unit we are going to. But in our country, there is a law. Is it related with the genes? Yes. You are not, law is telling prenatal sexual determination act is telling you are not supposed to, with the sonography, with one, you are not reveal the sex of the baby if you do illegally. And abortion also, there is a medical termination pregnancy act is there. Some of the act related. So I am going to teach. Start with the introduction. This all going to take only 30 minutes. What is gene? Draw the picture and they are going to tell answer. They know what is RNA, what is no DNA. Okay, they are going to tell. Then what is called mutation? Genes are arranged. One gene arranged. Father gene, mother gene. I am taking about the what is cell and tissue. How this cell tissue? There is a meiotic cell division, mitotic cell division. You are going to ask them. Meiosis is the reduction del cell division. The zygote is forming. This one will be forming zygote, forming in this align one, and then it will come the reduced. Double DNA will be single DNA. Then that will be forming. That's a reduction. 3 iconic one will be taken. Mitosis means if I cut my skin, here will be mitotic division. G0, G1, G2, right or not? Promat, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. It's happening. That's called the promative phase. But genetic meiotic cell division, if a father and mother, if the eye of the father is a brown and mother is a blue, there is a new creation is coming. Right? That will be 3 different distinguished chiasma, crossover, matching. These 3 things will be happen only in a meiotic cell division. There is the genetical exchanges taken place. You have to create the interest. Tell the live. Now, in this my introduction of genetics, I brought the subject into the practically. But how we do that, how our teachers take it? Hey, genes, take out genetics. First write the example. You write the definition of gene. They will write it. Or click the button. This is genes, this is mutation. Like that. Click the button and tell. If you tell, they will write only that. But you have to bring it practically. Now you can give the activity based education after this beautiful introduction. Tomorrow we are going to have genetics one seminar we are going to have. I am the chairperson of seminar. She will take about Down syndrome. She will take about the microcephaly. She will neural tube defect, like that you give them. They will come and I am the sitting. You make in the classroom who is the best students in this one, make them. So they will present it. You tell them in the presentation, you are having all facilities, bring them here, make them sit here, give the compulsory Down syndrome, something will be coming. Okay, now you give them genetical counseling, something about seminar means same topic. I mean, what is we are going to congenital defects is the seminar. One person going to tell. This is called the seminar. Understood? So they will be presenting. They will bring the downloader, ask them to use the technology, give them internet facility in the night to that they download it, arrange their PPT, they empower them. This is called activity based education. Understood? Now is a student center education. What is this called? New trend is called the student center education system. So now the students will be getting educated by them.